YouTube, you got opportunity for give me stars now. Please share, tag your friends. Wanna give me star back to this Saturday, do a big. They call you Oliana. Touch me, hold me under. Touch me under. Huh? Fire, baby. Baka, baby, make you shake for me. Kasada kitchen and the girl we go. Kasada kitchen and the girl we go. Hold me under. Touch me under. Just to make a scene. I just awake. Share, tag a friend. I vexed this morning. Fire, baby. Huh? Okay, good morning. Good morning. I wake this morning, I know happy. With 3 people in a salon. Yes, I know happy. Admire Bio, good morning. Admire Bio, good morning. If you not watch me, I know you go get for watch me later. Hawana Tukone, good morning. Hawana Tukone, good morning. Juliana Conte, good morning. Good morning. Una see una 3 ladies they want tell una good morning this morning. Admire Bio, Hawana Tukone, and Juliana Conte. I tell una good morning. I tell una good morning because I do me video yesterday. Well, if you not know me on Daphne, Maximilian Christiana Pratt, me not to basta pikina. Me on Daphne, Maximilian Christiana Pratt, me not to basta pikin. And by that what I mean, I not a fear nobody. Why if you do thing, why I call your name to me, mommy, and they call your name without fear or favor, because I am not obligated to nobody. I do me video yesterday, I not call person in the name. Because I know say, not a one, not a two, not a three people I do me video for. And I know one complicate issue, and I know one it involve in certain issue. And I make I do me video yesterday, I not call name. Not afraid and afraid. But I do not want to be a party. I am not a blogger. And they always tell you that me not a blogger. Me a content creator. But again, if una see una self inside me video where I make, deal with it. If you na see una self inside me video where I make, deal with it. But waiting and no go tolerate. Admire you. Hawana Tukone and Juliana Conte. Waiting and no go tolerate. Una no say where una send una dogs. Me, na the dog in mama. Now they attack. Yes. Where una send una dogs. Now the dog in mama, me they attack. Now so me they operate. I talked about my video yesterday. If una all way down there at the social media. Una all way down there at the social media. Now me first begin talk about Kush. Now we Salon community. And when me talk about Kush, I address Julde Jallow, Vice President, squarely. I said Julde Jallow is responsible for bringing Kush in the country day. And not put me mouth inside me mama backside. And not put me mouth inside me mama pima hole. Why be the talker na ya? Say na Julde Jallow, Vice President, na him begin bring Kush in the salon. And not put me mouth inside me mama backside. And not put me mouth inside me mama pima. While talker na ya. Over 5 years ago. Na ya sidom a talker. Say na Julde Jallow, they bring Kushka na salon. And I still stand by that statement. They tell today, say na Julde Jallow, na they bring Kushka, begin bring Kushka na salon. And no one involved by waiting no concern me, admire bio. And no one involved by waiting no concern me not a blogger. And the reason why I can send this warning shot to you, and she say you don't begin call you backing dogs for putting me in a group, then they curse me. Admire. You not go like that. Trust me, you not go like that. You not go like that. You understand, eh? You not go like that. And as say you don't get new crowd. Where Asabi out there they operate for begin cost me. You not go like that. And the advice you know say you not go like that. So I the advice you admire, let you go tell you backing dogs. The one that way you they feed. The one that way you they support. Say I'm not afraid nobody. Me not the mix pack kakaras backside. Una talk the one that they talk, but una business it not involve me. Me who's I be focused in a day. Is it on the back another deter. What me don't say that I don't see. Me not be I not mix pan crepe crawo na pots. Yes, I not mix pan crepe crawo na pots. So do ya una not involve me, but una creping crawo na pots. So that cabal, why see, they call me, they curse me. They curse me. You dey talk about Admirabio, warn you dogs. Warn you dogs. One number. Okay, you're not gonna like me. You're not gonna like me at all. Because me, I don't know you for Kusho. But wait till me know you for if I open me mouth by you, you not gonna like me. Me, all man know what they know you for. But what till me know you for? Or if me will address you, you not gonna like me. So they advise you nicely. I told me Bongaid. I not call Agata. If I be one call Agata, I know they scare me not the tremble safe for call person name. But I don't be feel for call name. Me almost in the tremble for call who I name I want call. I'm not obligated to nobody. You understand? I'm not obligated to nobody. So if I want to talk about you, admire video for talk about you, say admire and you had to talk to, it not take me 2 minutes. Trust me. But na bongaid no matruwe. Atruwe me bongaid. I not call Agata. I just talk no more. But if you see yourself inside me talk, you can learn. But if you see yourself inside me talk, you call you cabal them for attack me. Sissy, you not gonna like me, oh, you not gonna like me because me first of all I not get left. Now when they say left no more, left and no more, I not get up. That why when they say that for this sake no more, me I not get up. And where I don't go you where I not likely you come away. Me what another see when not concern me, it not concern me. Now yawa begin talk about kush and salon gossip never talk about kush. But when they reach for them give money, that salon gossip them they give money. Now they bring me picking a picture. They circulate around the one whole globe. I even go to GoFundMe for help me like a Kenya picking go rehab. 30 days for what 10 days? What they tell us? So 30 days men are picking in the talk. I don't know if they are alive. I don't know if you know they are alive. I don't understand nothing. I don't know nothing. So even the ladies have where they with. And I say I don't know nothing. I don't know if the picking they are alive. I don't know nothing from that 10 days, 30 days. All man just they make me so. I don't know nothing. Salon gossip the day that's salon. Now we all there at the social media. They get people the way that they take. They can't go na rehab. That same picking them, the other Fatima Bio get you out of our girls. Now under Fatima Bio or your office, now they begin to push. Una they remember, it cannot the same social media. One can put up and I come up in Fatima office. If it cannot the same social media, it can cost me. Yes. Now I have videos scatter all over that the salon community. Nobody no assist them. For not 10 days, 30 days while they tell and talk to you and so. Not over 1 year or 2 years. I not ever hear from that picking day. I not see them. I don't know nothing. Why tell you I say nothing? I don't know. Nothing. I don't know. The last time when me and talk, that one send that money for them. One say let them can go rehab. When you see they say they get the money, I don't know if they are alive. I don't know if you know they are alive. I don't know if they live. I don't know if you know they live. Then same salon gossip here. When they give money for kush, I contact them for let them help me feed them. Nobody. So when me go see the rakalabu, then me go interfere. That be business. Me of me say when I get issue with salon gossip. Me of me say I get issue with salon gossip. Okay, waiting a caller. Yes. And me I don't tell you now who that they want salon gossip long term. But me not the join for people who got klabu. No, I not the join. Me when me they affect me or one, I mean when they affect. When they posting nothing affect for me on the social media. So me they don't affect for posting on the social media. One day, nobody not stand up for me. Now this social media. The only person when don't stand up for me now this social media. That is 5 years ago. Where SLPP and APC, they want crucify me. Now Zainab Tight. Zainab Tight. Now the only person where if that thing they not be strong. APC they push me under, SLPP they push me under. After SLPP pay for me from Seattle for come Washington. When we talk true, when are the same true now on the sit delicate today. When they ready for crucify me, now this social media, the only person will make video for me, na Zainab Tight. After nobody else, no ever fed for me na this social media. Me na one man, I enjoy nobody feds. I enjoy nobody feds. Now I can look some of them big fool and then they pay them. They pay me for not anything I'm ready for talk. Now out of the free mind. If they pay me the politics, then they for pay me. I mean for not live a better life. But when they offend you, when you want to go back for attack them, then they pay you. Una give me star first, ba. YouTube too, na give me star. I get opportunity, na give me star. Una give me star, please. Una give me star. And una share. Why else una they listen to this music like Ofen Coffee? Me, I'm not a afraid person, no. I'm not a afraid person. But one thing number one, I don't go appreciate. I swear God, now let person sit down, they can cost me for things we are not concerned. Me not a big word follow, me not a shalat. Another first way don't concern me. When you una depa with salon gossip, admire salon gossip, I want to call it, it don't concern me. It don't concern me at all. Una all know that this social media say me I want to call it will get issue. And another compromise them, una know. So if I want to call it, I hide under admire, and when recruit people against me, admire go deal with you. So they tell you one time, you go back to them. Tell them, say, that woman they not involved for me business, so. Huh. Me not don't go area, oh. Because of I know they talk about politics, I know they call people the name. Now also we sit down. Inside we salon community. Now we sit down, so I don't know. Keke Toma they still $250,000 na Keke Toma and this there. Keke Toma 250,000. That is $500,000. Nayana. Not those are no government money. Not those are no government money. Not the blood money. So they why they talk me talk why don't call person them they do and let person sit down full. Let person sit down full. And una not involve me. This una talk I want to call admire or salon gossip. I am not involved. I am not involved. Now you start Christmas party. As I start Christmas party for picking them, salon gossip to Christmas party. Anything we start, then take them. Any project we bring them, salon gossip. When I start to make Christmas party, when they can meet me, they can meet me and they make Christmas party. Oh, they can support me that 1 year day. The next year, salon gossip go make Christmas party. So many things a day where I don't see how they play with me. But not on this time and they can evolve. For other person you talk. Inside this beyond platform, I don't talk so many times. I don't accuse salon gossip. I know I evolve. If you don't watch me at this meal platform, I don't talk about who that they operate salon gossip for a long time. If you don't watch me at this platform, I don't talk am. But at this particular time, I do not want to get involved in anybody's problem. I don't want to be a party. So then they get for me wise when you want fet at this Facebook. Right now, I want to come in and look who they hide under. And they look admire for hide under admire. And I don't want to be a party. And that's what they try to say. I don't want to be a party. So let them not mix me up. Right now, I always had to talk who that they operate salon gossip. But right now, I don't want to talk who that they operate salon gossip. Because if I talk who that they operate salon gossip, then I want to involve inside the plumber. And I don't want to involve inside the plumber. I don't want to be a party to the plumber. Now that make another talk, but nothing about it not be fed for me. So why do you go fed for person? Una not involve me. Una not involve me. I'm not involved. I do not want to be involved. Now that make another talk about the issue. Now that make even I put a water to corner in business right down at the back corner. Because what you do, when if Billy attack Awana to corner now, Awana to corner here and say how they call us salon gossip, and then I get myself inside, and I don't want to. I don't. I don't talk about only people that they want salon gossip. I'm not either, but right now I don't want to get involved. Never they fight for me whether they cost me there. Who not ever team up for me whether they kill me there. When people can't don't know how to go team up for person. It makes sense. Yeah, go. The amount of blood now go look up about Aruna so. All not of politics, all not because of blood money. My if you use every time you talk, fine. But there you command them. Advise them on my bill. While wake this morning, the messages they want to see, it don't look sweet to me. I don't say you don't go lick me. I do not want to get involved. I do not want to get involved. I do not want to be a party. And my abio, Hawana to corner, salon gossip. I am not a party. Una not try for Dromika inside. Una not go like me. So una they pay people never cost me. Una be careful. What them all admire. One them all because me I don't deal with the chaff them. Now the wood, the elephant now they deal with. The elephant, the head, that's a big chap. Honor before honors. Okay? I don't like that. I don't evolve. Nobody know what they fetch for me on this social media. Nobody. So why have a fetch for somebody? Why would I like for to go people they also want to talk? Why they address I want to address quietly because me I want to get issue. I want to get issue. Now I want to go fetch me in Maryland. Now I want to send that video too. I hear all the thing what the way I want to use. So when they go say I want to go to Bobo, I go talk and say against. Say that 5 people watching on that. But right now when they go, so I don't want to get involved. That make a balance. Because if we want to attack, I want to go there now. They go say that salon gossip at the festival or that man at the festival. Now make a relax. Let them fetch the fetch. But una not involve me. But waiting, I know if I not afraid anybody for call you name. Now I don't see no seven. I don't see that plane. That coke plane where drug plane. Where can there's there? When I don't say they don't deport the six foreigners there. 3 weeks ago, I know that. Una don't know all that. So could see that no one because they talk politics. 3 weeks ago, they deport the 6 foreigners them. When they reach now Istanbul, one of the guy that want to make goodness. Now they lock him. I know so much. I know so much. That like plane where they bring not to 3 about to go tell you now. But when I get a plane, they say get $1 million case. That Nigeria. I know so much. So do I beg because they talk politics. When I don't mix people, they are big. Maybe temperature in one. That's part number 1. Part number 2. When I remember a few days ago, I've been talking about one Dr. Ponton Panther and Mrs. Ponton Panther, where na Sheila Fofana na California. Sheila where na Awol na California. Sheila of California na big criminal. Where are the one una na this social media? Una another look where somebody they dress like a salad. In dressing like a salad, no mean nothing. Then Sheila Fofana of California, na big scammer, thief woman, Ayampi and Santibokiat. This social media, not always to see the shine of gold. The reason why they can tell that say Sheila Fofana of California na big criminal. Last May this year, Sheila Fofana said in the cell close. Sheila Fofana of Awol, he said in the cell close. Now one lady contacted, he said he wants close for here, man. Una no say America now na here she. Tololi and Tono. We now we married. Now for dress in accordance of the scripture of one kindness. Now Sheila Fofana say he get close there for sale. Now this woman take $1,500 and give Sheila for this clothes. What to make at the talker right now? If I don't get evidence, I know the talker because the woman send everything to me. But waiting at the talk so Sheila Fofana know exactly what at the talk so. And again, Sheila Fofana is story to do see because the amount of people that will don't come out and talk how much the Sheila Fofana owe them, how they go and scam people them or live a fake life. Una taga na ya. If you say me don't block me, but una taga back. Because they watch me, they say they block me, but they watch me. Una tagging famble them. Sheila Fofana, Dr. Ponton Panther with. Now they call Sheila Ponton Panther Fofana Pofto Bafta. So Sheila take this over money, 1,500. That was in May. How are you, Elizabeth? In May. Before May. Because the woman get for go wedding on May. She had a lie for this girl from May to the day for the wedding. Una share first, but una share first. Una share first. La they tell her do first. Fatima, how are you? Fatima are the same school. Honor before honors. Yes. Yes, I attended the Methodist Girls High School too. And you know what in that name mean? Respect yourself, other person will respect you. Yes. And at the same time, I attended the Oshora Primary School. And simply that means I'm a Fishian. So I play the game. So now 2 roles I play, right? I'm a Fishian and at the same time I play the game. Una share first. Good morning, Clarissa. Clara, good morning. Good morning, Marvis. I just the wake. Never mind, I look fresh so. I don't wake up. I don't wake. Innocent Barry, my darling, good morning. Harold Jones, me uncle, your sister, them. Kadijalo, how are you, darling? Zainab Bangura, how are you? Our Max, how are you, darling? When I tell me morning, me YouTube family, and I tell me morning, what's happening by YouTube? Okay. Good morning, Samuel. Good morning, Miss Barry. When I give me stab on us on YouTube, when are they so? And when are they treat me so like this YouTube? Our Max, how are you? When I know they treat me so now, they give me stab. Oh, my dear, my darling, I am always happy in my heart. Trust me. Honestly, all of these people, they know they won't bother me. And even you know, to tell you the truth, me the content that they use them for. But minus them, I get content every day. Honestly, minus I want not to connect with. But I know if I say I don't want to talk about these people, I get things for talk about every day. So honestly, I want to talk to you about different types of salts. I get a violet salt now. I get a black salt now. I get a pink Himalaya salt here. I get my Mediterranean sea salt here. I get a rough Himalaya salt here, and I get sea salt now. So my dear, I don't even need for worry about them. I get it for talk about every day. Maybe you don't forget a new platform, na education, information, and entertainment. The thing where you learn on this platform, you know they learn on so many other platforms. When I remember a few weeks ago, now they showed about Michelle's. We be there on me live. When I remember what showing about Michelle last year, I be showing how I make this shelf with just 2 open board. Who saw that platform on the go land then kind there? When some man implement them na the houses. I get it back in the kitchen. I get an other one the other simple thing. Also that platform day. Who na the get this kind of education there. No other platform no do. Because the other platform they were doing that for course, negativity. No, yeah, but no, yeah, education will get an information. Even just inside this 5 minutes, you know most information I don't tell you now. I don't tell you that say get some man and thief quarter of a million right? Okay, they are not saying that back. In West Park, they don't make a permanent ambassador on the UN. Okay, I don't tell you that say them people when they catch and that drug plane, they don't deport them, right? I don't tell you that say Aruna them bunch of block be local and said, right? I don't tell you that boku to them. So inside me own platform, you get education, you get information, you get entertainment. Then obviously you get lie. Yes, no week or no week. Yeah. So yeah, it's special. And then it's you. So yes. Yeah, we get fuck talk back now. Yeah. Good morning, Miss Iris. How are you doing, darling? Good morning, Sheila. When I give me star but today Saturday, then at the same time, when I wanna give me star, I give me cash up people. Wait, so when I all been there, I want to fuck talk Saturday. I make something there. I can work out. What to say for another day? Another day do well. Look at $1.49. Una give me star. Yeah, they don't free her now. They don't free her now. But my idea is, why was he arrested in the first place? Just because born to belong gets a political connection, and that tell you how bad we country don't become. That means for saying nobody not able for talk again, and that make anything they want to do, then they do. Now that make them go bring 20-year-old plane where could not land in other country. But again, it depends on who that we go think for right that plane day. Let the entire cabin. Fatima has private jet they use. Let them begin use that plane day when they go London. The entire ministers, let them begin use that plane day. Let them not use no private jet again. That one I not say the plane good. But till they and their family, or they and their diplomatic holders begin use that passport day. Ma, how you doing, ma? My sister Shale, how you doing, ma? You doing all right? You know you're my LeBron people now. You know I can't forget about you. You're playing any stars, may I beg you. Today Saturday. Good morning, my darling. Good morning, Swan. So again, like what I say, I have been talking about this Sheila Fofana girl. So Sheila go take this. Good morning. Thank you, Manadi. That one they call star. Now when Manadi they do so, now they call star. Now na 5 cents one and they can give me that. Another they give me another. They give like what Manadi do so. Eh, me YouTube family money give me stable. He started there, not see 1 cent. Anyway, so now I explain about this Sheila Fofana. So that this lady contacts me. She said she had paid Sheila $1,500 for her clothes. And Sheila has refused to give her clothes. So she sent all the information to me. I tried to, I do not want to talk to Sheila because I have personal issue with Sheila before. You know, I don't like to bring out all things that has happened between me and people. Because when I'm saying I'm done with you, I'm done with you. I hate people who are two-sided. When in one case they will smile in front of your face and behind your back they will stab at you. I saw a whole lot of it when I supported somebody in this game. That is the reason why I can proudly say here, nobody has no debt on me because I am not a bastard. I don't talk behind people's back. I don't smile in people's face and talk behind their backs. No, I am not that type. I face issues quietly when it happens. And when I find out that you are that type of a person, it doesn't take me 2 minutes to cut you off. And that was when I knew who Sheila was, so I cut her off. Yes, I cut her off. If you all can remember, after that game was a time, if you can remember, I don't remember where I was. I think I was still in Greensboro here. I bought 2 scarves that Sheila has sent me. That was some hair tie that they have given to her over 3 years to give to me. When she went to Africa, she did not give it to me. When I put my foot down, during the time they had their cabal to insult me because I asked for $200 to support them again, I knew all what they said behind my back. Not everybody's going to hate you. There are certain people who will love you. Yes. So after this issue came to my desk, I called her. That is over 3 weeks ago, before I went to Germany. I tried to resolve it behind closed doors. Because one thing I can always tell people, this social media, it does not forget. Some of you can be nonchalant, but fail not to realize you have kids. And some of you, as you open your social media platform, you do not even know that there is a point that tells you that if something happens to you, social media should close your platform. There's a clause there that will tell you. But some of you have not ticked that clause yet. So anything that happens to you, your page will still keep on rolling. Yes, it will still keep on rolling. Okay. So, with that being said, so I contacted somebody who knows her very well. And I told her, I said, I have received a report against you. And I want you to settle out of public eyes. That was over a month ago. Sheila Fofana said the woman's clothes were in New York. That is over 1 month ago. Failed not to realize this wedding was supposed to take place on May. She's just been telling the woman like this, like this, like this, like this for her own clothes that she paid her $1,500 for. And for every time you call Sheila Fofana, if it's not that she's just from the hospital, her husband is from the hospital. If the husband is not from the hospital, her daughter is from the hospital. If her daughter, every time, just that she is a scammer. Due to this incident, I have investigated so many negative things about her. She takes people's money for glasses, takes people's money for perfume. Just go about scamming people. Sheila Fofana of California. But when you see her on social media, well dressed, as if she is in control of the app, at the same time, lying to people that her husband is a doctor when he is not even a doctor. So when I tell you life is spiritual, some of you think it is a joke because you see things beautifully dressed. You assess them to be what they are not. And that is how Sheila Fofana goes around this internet, scamming people, taking money from people. It was hospital. It was hospital for family. Just a few days ago, when I called her and asked her for the lady's money, she was telling me the funny part is she is not even yet 50. And every day she'll tell you her pressure is 200 and 500. I said, my dear, it's better for you to die than to be scamming people of their hard-earned cash. It is better for you to die than to be scamming people out of their hard-earned cash, because people do work for their money. 1,500 is not a child's play. That's people's 1 week pay. And you could not see that be stealing from people because you want to live the life that you do not have. First life. When I want dress like a salad when I work for them. John the pattern 50 people their money. She like Fofana and fake man. Dr. Ponto Panta and Mrs. Ponto Panta of California. Sheila Fofana Ponto Panta Tifuman. Ayampi. When you look at them on social media, they dress past chicken. But in real life, so Oboga business. Fake life. But they come back for them. Last week, that one called her for the galley money. And he said yesterday, he gave me all up. So yesterday, I will pay. That is 2 weeks ago. Now they can't tell me, say, the woman for waiting the 18th. No, 10 18 Sheila, and they put your picture out, I put your money picture out, I put your phone number, I put your address. Una to pass back by fake life. You to pass back Sheila Fofana by fake life. That's why when I can go, young girl like you go marry your grandpa. Now million, now make you come America at your young age. You don't look for your age. You go marry your grandpa because you want to live above your income. But the parents say they want young girl. So now so. You be just there about the dress woman. Then I rented those like a minaya. But fake life. Nonsense. Anyway, on a good morning, I just the week. Today Saturday, you know they can't talk some fuck talk because I did in the mood. Do you have advice to that people never say me name? Let them pull out of their mouth. Let them pull out of their mouth. I know what I mean name that people the mouth. This una nonsense talk, it don't concern me. And my abio, una nonsense talk, it don't concern me. I want to call them una nonsense talk, it don't concern me. Salon gossip, una nonsense talk, it don't concern me. Together content, you not lost balls. You not lost balls. You don't defend side for anger. Anyway, una talk, it don't concern me. It don't concern me today. It don't concern me tomorrow. And because of una want to say una don't evolve with admire, now make a back off. I want that to go there. Yes, because I don't want mixed pan by the raklabu. I want that to go on them not for twist me inside social media. I don't there before you. As I been twist past you. Now make me own case I can put a first banda. Because if I want to attack you now, I'm not the game on and play. Because right now, you want to mobile all around. You refer who that you are egg wonder. Una no mix me up. And me mot. I say so. Not to post office. Not to bank. Now bank they keep for wait for profits. Post office, I should put her in the car and go now forgive the next person. So for call your name. If I want to talk to you, admire. If I'm afraid for talk to you, they God punish you. If me friend for talk to you, admire, call your name, let God punish your ass. You look me like another afraid person. You're good when a president are not afraid. You are when a first lady are not afraid. You when a kakaras backside. Now you are afraid. Una not mix people backside. Okay? A word for a wise is quite sufficient. Una shop on yourself, una deal with yourself, una handle on yourself, una not mix people rakalabu. I give you that this one is short. That one is short again. So if una cabal keep on, if I come for you, because you are going to deal with, because you the one the one take come close under. Yes, and Maya, now you the one take come close under. And the advice you go advise you dogs. And advise you, let's go advise you dogs. Say I'm not involved. I no one know what they go on with una salon. Me not a blogger. That blogger one know. I don't want to involve right now because if I involve right now, it go complicated. I want to deal with. I want to connect at me on time. Now me I want to connect the issue. The time when maybe they talk for who that they operate salon blog, salon gossip, who that be there with me? Nobody not be there with me. So now one that they fed to your face, who that said that day? When they be they attack me, who that be they fed for me? Nobody. Why be they call them? Who that be they fed for me? Nobody. Why be they talk? Who that be there with me? Nobody. So now I make I can join. No, I don't mix. I don't mix at all. And by the way, me not a blogger. Me a content creator. Now bloggers they draw themselves. Me na issues that they deal with. I just warn you, nobody. This is not warning shots. It not mix me. You there admire me. You there want to connect. Then una lost balls. Una want involve. Una not mix me. And I go advise you dogs them. Say me name. Let them not call them. And let nobody not cause sleep and the nonsense. Because if they cost me admire, you are the careful. If they cost me admire, now you are the careful. I just give warning shots. Yes. Because sometimes when I want mix people le paraplaba. And I don't want mix. This not to be issue. This particular case won't not to be issue. When maybe they first me battle. Why they are this time they take salon gossip. This time nobody not be fed with me. So now when I want fed, I mean they go join on for fed. When I look me like I mean a backside, come on, when I not involve me, please. If I want to do me inside, when I do me in a good side, when I not do me bad, me on free but and I feel nobody for call nobody name I want to talk about anything. Nobody name and I afraid for call. You know, for don't know nothing. No. Aisha, you don't give me a star way they can tell me la focus on class now. You don't give me star where they can tell me la focus on class.
Yellow. Yes, my love.
How the morning?
Sure, this one now I can go put picture. I say I miss me, darling.
Your fuck off come on before me now. I make I miss me. Me, I don't talk to me because I missed you yesterday.
Because I be left. I get colo. You grab picking, I don't give me colo.
But I can call Mr. Malek and move on. Do you big? So when you get kind of guy call there, me, you know, I don't put sweet pan and then 2-3 days there. So that and they can send one back panel. So when can I wake up and you so now you will get sweet one.
I say better hold you. I beg
you. You hear that music? That's why we're gonna touch you now. He goes, Waka baby, we're going to touch the fire. Lie. They're going to touch you now. But they are calling me Brother and touch. What did they catch you? Lie. We are going to touch. Touching of the baby of the glory.
I just can't. Even they talk about admire. Admire. I don't tell them this salon gossip business here. I just enjoy the fun. I make us pay me. I just enjoy the fun, but
exactly.
I don't go ever expose salon gossip way admire the friend. No, say, oh, now you are fit for admire. No.
I don't talk inside. Yeah. But yesterday, Mama, come on, cost me.
Hey, what do you do?
It me not because the video I make yesterday. Either admire the talk about. Now, now say,
me the whole level. I don't say admire, darling.
Now say, well, I don't know about no.
But we don't go, but we don't look back.
I don't tell you. Me about to go, no. You know what I see? When some people they're not relevant, they try to go because somebody get nothing for talk about you.
I tell you. Under people.
So that they find way for involve inside people the issue.
Well, I didn't want to pass along gossip them. Like the wrong people are being accused for this nonsense here. We wanna know baby for saying no, these people are not there. But only because you guys have used them. Why not use them? Many people that believe for say yes, they are there.
Well, that one they make integrity inside.
Yeah, if salon gossip, people that believe for say that Kasala kitchen and that page, they make sure say una must believe say that Kasala kitchen today. What they do, they begin praise Kasala kitchen first. Una listen to the mathematics.
But then they begin I don't know that they run Kasala.
All my way they when Kasala kitchen get problem, they begin post they cost now. They begin drag there. They wake Kasala kitchen answer the people they will get problem with. When they can't talk bad about Kasala kitchen, they talk bad about the other post. So they say Kasala kitchen any for that.
My dear, I know that they run salon gossip. I don't talk about her so many times. But when they fight me, there was nobody to fight for me.
No, that's what this media they know.
You understand? Nobody not fight for me. So now when Apoka involved for somebody they offend.
Yes.
And especially when me I want to never issue now. I want to go join Admire. Then no, me not affect today.
Your darling. Nobody can join Admire against you. I think I forget it. Admire is your darling. I didn't cancel. I just put that. Because I believe I don't get one food. Oh, you don't teach me how to cook. I'm a business. I teach you. I'm 11. I teach me how to fling up. You don't teach me.
Now they want to reach for Lona begin. Now they want to reach for Lona begin for class because I said Lima. When you pick it up, begin waka. Now I get next week. Next week I get my new pillar because I want 7 pillar because the last time I be teach that last talk now Lima be born girl picking. So I don't say picking up begin waka. I want to teach that 4 pattern.
It's not a big problem business this so Kasala bring.
Yeah. KTV 7 picking up begin waka. So I want to teach another pattern we go make it more twin now this last one. Next week I get for my 4 pillow.
Mede only be at this twin business here so now you.
Where no, Fanta I mistake you. No worry, next year they can't. I mean they go do the marriage, the real marriage. I don't go put sweet inside misty then to I put the Christmas too. You don't tell me there. I put sweet inside. You understand? Then what? I'm not telling you I about Germany. I'm not telling you I about, and I'm not talking about Germany. I know LA. But tell me that Germany get specialty. I'm not explanation it.
Germany is a big tone.
Yeah, I say I'm not can put in my mouth right now. I'm not explanation yet. You don't say why we come on London, you know me well. Why come on Germany? When she can't sick, I'm not explanation yet.
I did not see you about today.
No, Germany is very clean. Oh no, very clean. Oh, what's it clean? Very clean. Clean. Yeah, very clean. No, you see, when you see them go, when you see some tea happening, you get us to know you make all ciphers. You understand? You know some tea the way you can go pan the gravity. You understand? The gravity of it, you know, some parts can dislocate, some parts can, but anyway, I don't want explanation.
Aisha say one land half don't forget belly. Aisha carry foot we don't check we don't know can when man don't can lucky foot.
No, not to show that the fats are not to show hey. Not to when you don't also they get belly, you get positions. Where you get positions, you don't forget belly. You get a position you set. When I think I talk today, I don't know if me told them.
Hey, no can do like this live here.
Well, for waiting. Hey, but I don't know if baby now wait. You get a in a position where you the get belly. Not so any guy fucking the give belly. That's strategy. Fucking the mathematics. You get to know how the one. Well, you get belly waiting up.
Yeah, we say completely. Not team up.
I did that.
Hey, not be funny. It's me one leg na the bed. Not be funny. So small team up.
Not so small team up. That I show my by you.
I remember the fella. Yes, I remember the fella. At team up. Not be easy.
There's a piece for Fanta and Misty with a fly you come Manchester for the piece stop.
That person say the fly come Manchester. I swear. I can go Mali. Whoever writes that post, they go Mali.
If there's a woman shifter, not get it, not a give a level.
Whoever writes that post, you know, so nobody can go Mali.
Hey, but YouTube will not give me style, and not good to me, not goodbye.
I did cut the kitchen live, quick on Facebook. Okay.
Well, Pastor, we'll talk back later.
Let me see you and call me. What's up, mom? Fast or star?
What?
What's up, mom?
Oh, me, I'm not interested this year, Mama. I'm not ready.
So you know how for blow.
I know they put about, I know they interfere, I'm not interested.
No, man, for nobody this year.
Oh, like they pay me safe, Mama. But me with the train they paid me safe. The game after I don't play on the nonsense 99 for Coopers the game instead of the ambassador the way they get instead of them focusing on the game. Everybody's about themselves, you know.
Okay, my love, that will come and see you. I beg.
Okay, darling.